right, family? Now we move into how powerful a company really is with your money. This is where average businesses separate from elite ones. Daily stock lesson number 66. Return on equity, ROE, right? How efficiently does a company use your money? Definition plain English. Return on equity, ROE, tells you how much a company generates from shareholders' money. The formula is simple. ROE equals net income divided by shareholder equity. In simple terms, how hard is the company making your invested dollars work? Simple example. Net income $2 billion, share equity $10 billion. ROE is 20%. This means for every $1 investors put in, the company generates 20% of profit each year. That's strong efficiency. Why this matters? ROE shows management quality, business strength, profit efficiency, long-term wealth potential. Great companies don't just make money. They make a lot of money from the same capital. How investors actually use ROE. High ROE, 15% plus, efficient business model, strong competitive advantage, often long-term winners. Average ROE, 8 to 15%. Normal, stable companies, solid but not dominant. ROE under 8%, weak efficiency, possible management or profit issues. Consistency matters more than one high year. Some common beginner mistakes to avoid. Looking for ROE without checking debt. Trusting one-year spikes. Ignoring long-term trends. High debt can fake a high ROE. So also pair ROE with debt to equity. Right? Now we learned this in the past lesson. How pros think. Smart investors ask, is ROE consistently high for years? Is growth coming from real profits, not leverage? Does the company have a competitive moat? Elite businesses produce strong ROE again and again. The key is, family, ROE measures power, not just profit. The best companies turn investor capital into compounding machines. Like, subscribe, follow for daily wealth lessons.